Climbing cams, the essential gear for rock climbing. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and specific topic in the world of rock climbing: climbing cams. These devices are crucial for safety and success in climbing, and understanding them is key for both beginners and experienced climbers. So, let's dive in and learn all about climbing cams. Climbing cams, also known as camming devices, are pieces of climbing equipment used in rock climbing for protection. They are mechanical devices that can be placed in cracks or openings in the rock surface. The unique feature of a climbing cam is its ability to expand and contract using a trigger mechanism. This allows the cam to firmly grip the rock, providing a secure anchor point for the climber. The invention of climbing cams brought a revolution in rock climbing safety. They were invented in the 1970s by Ray Jardine, an aerospace engineer and climber. His design, known as the Friends, was a breakthrough, allowing climbers to protect themselves in places where traditional nuts and chocks couldn't be used. This innovation greatly expanded the possibilities of where and how climbers could safely climb. There are several types of climbing cams, each designed for specific types of rock formations. The most common are 1. Single stem cams. These have a flexible stem and are versatile in various crack sizes. 2. Double stem cams. These offer more stability and are better for wider cracks. 3. Offset cams. Designed for uneven or flared cracks, where the sides of the crack are not parallel. Understanding the right type of cam for a particular climb is essential for safe and effective climbing. Using climbing cams safely requires knowledge and practice. Here are some basic steps. 1. Choosing the right size. Select a cam that fits snugly in the crack. 2. Placement. Insert the cam into the crack and release the trigger slowly, allowing the cam lobes to expand. 3. Checking for stability. Ensure that the cam is stable and doesn't move or rotate easily. 4. Attaching the rope. Clip your rope into the cam's carabiner. Remember, proper placement is crucial for the cam to hold effectively in case of a fall. Always check the condition of your cams before and after use. Practice placements in safe, low-stress environments before relying on them in challenging climbs. Clean and lubricate the moving parts regularly to keep them functioning smoothly. Climbing cams are an essential part of a climber's gear, providing safety and expanding the possibilities of climbs. Remember, practice and knowledge are key to using them effectively. We hope this video helps you understand climbing cams better. Climb safe and have fun out there.